Hi friends, in this video I will teach you how to add WhatsApp payment gateway on your WooCommerce store. As you can see, this is the website, and once a customer places an order, it will directly send it to the seller's WhatsApp number. As you can see on this video, you can see all the details, and if a customer click on the payment link, then they can pay with another payment options. So first they can send all these orders to the WhatsApp. To install this, you can upload a premium plugin. The link I will give on the description box below. You can just activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you can go to the plugin settings, and here you can enable the payment method as WhatsApp order, and you can change the title, description, and you can add your WhatsApp number, and you can change all other settings according to your requirement, like WhatsApp number, auto redirect, instructions, etc. And you can enable for specific shipping methods, and all these details you can enable or disable according to your requirements. Once you make all the changes, click on save settings. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.